Hello everybody, here's my latest piece, the Queen of Nettles. Now I know you're going to say you've seen it before, but what happened was it sold before I wanted it to. I didn't get a chance to enjoy it myself, and that happens sometimes. So I've made it again. Of course, it's come out differently. I think what I like about it is it's moody. It's clearly a nighttime scene. And the bullfinch is here to provide a focal, but also the crimson of his breast is the complementary colour to the jade. And look at this single fusion of this nettle coming all the way around. I love that. And I think Madeline Bassett would have liked this piece. Madeline Bassett is one of P.G. Woodhouse's characters from the Jeeves book. In fact, one of Bertie Wooster's girlfriends. And she was always saying that the stars are God's daisy chain. And that's what I've tried to do here. I've tried to link the whole thing, run it through these tiny little flowers. So I think it's a romantic piece, but also quite moody because it's at night time. And I think that the accompanying verse helps to explain it better than I have just. So here we go. It's called The Queen of Nettles. When Bullfinch has had a busy day, he feels it's time to settle. And his favourite thing is to nestle down and gaze at the Queen of Nettles.